2 days. 2 days, oh God. Do I really have to go through all of this, oh God? Do I really have to go through all of this? As if being sick is not enough. I've been taking medication. It's like I've not been doing anything. Do I really have to face this? Why don't you just take me now so I'll just know there's nothing for me to live. So I'll just know there's no need for me to even be alive. If you knew I was going to suffer like this, Lord, if you knew I was going to suffer like this, why bringing me to this heads? Why bringing me? I've been following you. I've been serving you. I've been doing all what you want me to do. Why me going like this? I'm not the most sinful person in this world. Do I really have to end up like this? Do I really have to end up? I don't really have to end up like this, oh God. For people, why did you choose? Why did you choose this? Just 2 days. Just 2 days, oh God.